2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, driver and front passenger heated seats, electronic stability control, heated front seats, fog lights, CD player, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, security system, compass, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.